Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a quick unboxing of ULTREAN air fryer. 8.5 quart. This is the largest air fryer from ULTREAN. Then I have a smaller version of air fryer which is 6 quart, and these are free giveaways, and in order to get that, please click on my other channel which is Easy Steps Cooking, and you will find out how to participate. And these giveaways February 10th 2020, so you still have 3 more days to get your free air fryer. I'm going to share with you unboxing of the biggest air fryer, which is 8.5 quart from ULTREAN. And let's get started. I'll open it. It comes with cookbook from ULTREAN. They also have included a nice glove. I'll pull out the air fryer. And this one is heavy. This is really big. 8.5 quart. Remove the tape. 2 tape on this side. This is a huge, big. We can cook the big size turkey. This is a really nice one. I really like it. This one locks and unlocks the basket. This is the bottom one, and it's very easy. You take it out, then you put it in, and it's a safety lock. And when we're going to put it in, so I'm going to plug it in. It has a protective film on top of it. Remove that. This is the power, and this one has a multi-mode. It has a fries, then if you press it again, chops, then shrimp. This is the cake, chicken drumstick, steak, fish. And these are preset settings. This is really good air fryer from ULTREAN, and you also can do manual setup. You can adjust the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can set up the time from here. So you can do it manually, or you can select preset timing. Good air fryer. I will post the link underneath. If you want to win one of these air fryer, posted videos on my other channel, so please check it out. If you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.